Hey everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of Sashiko, the traditional Japanese embroidery technique that's both meditative and mesmerizing. I'm so excited to share this beginner's tutorial with you and hope you get hooked just like I did. When creating garments, you can use 2 layers of fabric. Multiple layers make your garment warmer as heat gets insulated in the pockets of air that you make while working the designs. I recommend using even weave fabrics rather than tightly woven plain fabrics. The open structure of the even weave fabric makes it easier to weave the needle through the fabric layers. A grid is the fundamental basis of any repeating Sashiko pattern. I've got my trusty pearl cotton threads ready to roll, so grab yours and let's stitch our way through these beautiful patterns. Starting with the most common, the running stitch. Don't be intimidated by the fancy name, it's just like sewing in a straight line, simple, calming, and oh so satisfying. Skip the knot. When starting a new thread, just leave a nice long tail, somewhere between 6 to 12 centimeters, between the fabric layers. Easy, right? No knots, just smooth stitching. Let's keep it simple and stylish. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about the journey and the joy of creating with your own hands. So take your time, breathe, and trust the process. This ancient Japanese craft is easy to learn. It gives quick results and makes stunning textile pieces. Check out the link to my full beginner's tutorial in the cards above and on the end screen.